Raffles Girls Primary School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Raffles Girls Primary School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Section A. Question 1. In 6145, the digit missing number is in the hundreds place. The digit 1 is in the hundreds place. The answer is 1. Question 2. What is the amount of money shown below? There are 1 $5 note, 1 $1 coin, 1 50-cent coin, 2 20-cent coins, which is equal to 40 cents, 1 10-cent coin, 1 5-cent coin. The total amount will be, add $5 to $1, to 50 cents, to 40 cents, to 10 cents, to 5 cents, and the sum is $7.05. The answer is 3. Question 3. What is the product of 6 and 305? The product of 6 and 305 is 1830. The answer is 2. Question 4. What is the difference between 1459 and 5679? The difference between 1459 and 5679 is 4220. The answer is 2. Question 5. One morning, Lily woke up at the time shown on the clock. She woke up at missing number. The hour hand is pointing between 6 to 7. The minute hand is pointing at 4, which is 20 minutes. Lily woke up in the morning. The time on the clock shown 6:20 a.m. The answer is 3. Question 6. Which shape is a cylinder? The figure that look like a cylinder is figure D. The answer is 4. Question 7. Add 286 to 4053 and equal to missing number. Add 286 to 4053 and the sum is 4339. The answer is 3. Question 8. Fatimah has 3 bags of marbles. There are 291 marbles in each bag. How many marbles does Fatimah have in all? Multiply 291 by 3, and the product is 873. Fatimah has 873 marbles in all. Question 9. The paint brush is about missing number cm longer than the pencil. The length of the paint brush will be subtract 13 cm from 4 cm, and the difference is 9 cm. The length of the pencil will be subtract 9 cm from 4 cm, and the difference is 5 cm. The difference between paint brush and pencil will be subtract 9 cm from 5 cm, and the difference is 4 cm. The answer is 4. Question 10. What is the mass of the bowl of fruits? The gap between the interval is 200 grams. The weighing scale shows the mass of the bowl of fruits is 340 grams. The answer is 3. Question 11. I am a 4-digit number. The digit in the ones place is 9. The digit in the thousands place has a value of 1000. The digit in the tens place is twice the digit in the hundreds place. What number am I? The digit in the thousands place is 1. The digit in the ones place is 9. The tens place is twice of the hundreds place. The possible combination will be 100, 2 tens, 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 3 hundreds, 6 tens, 4 hundreds, 8 tens. The 4-digit number is 1249. The answer is 3. Question 12. After dinner, Raj looked at the clock. He found that the time on the clock was 10 minutes slower than the actual time. What was the actual time? The hour hand is between 8 to 9. The minute hand is pointing at 10, which is 50 minutes. The clock read 8:50 p.m. The clock was 10 minutes slower. The actual time would be 10 minutes faster. Actual time will be add 8 hours, 50 minutes to 10 minutes, and the sum is 9 hours, which is equal to 9 p.m. The answer is 3. Question 13. Aini bought 2 packs of rice and 1 bottle of oil. She paid with a $50 note. How much change did she receive? The cost of 2 packs of rice will be multiply $9.90 by 2, and the product is $19.80. The cost of 2 packs of rice and 1 bottle of oil will be add $19.80 to $5.50, and the sum is $25.30. The amount of change will be subtract $50 from $25.30, and the difference is $24.70. The answer is 2. Question 14. Study the figure carefully. What is the figure made up of? There are 1 semicircle, 2 rectangles, 1 triangle, 3 circles, and 1 square. The answer is 4. Question 15. The graph shows the amount of money spent by 4 children. How much more money did Tina spend than Andy? The amount of money Tina spent will be multiply 8 by $5, and the product is $40. The amount of money Andy spent will be, multiply 3 by $5, and the product is $15. The difference between Tina and Andy spent will be, subtract $40 from $15, and the difference $25. The answer is 2. Question 16. Farmer A had 1,233 ducks. He had 3 times as many ducks as Farmer B. Farmer B had 199 more ducks than Farmer C. How many ducks did Farmer C have? Three units will be 1,233. 1 unit will be, divide 1,233 by 3, and the quotient is 411. Farmer C will be, subtract 411 by 199, and the quotient is 212. The answer is 1. Question 17. Zainab has $16. What is the most number of packets of potato chips he can get? The number of packets of potato chips will be, divide $16 by $2, and the quotient is 8. The number of free packets of potato chips will be, divide 8 by 3, and the quotient is 2. Remainder 2. The total number packets of potato chips will be, add 8 to 2, and the sum is 10. The answer is 2. Raffles Girls Primary School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Section B. Question 18. Write 5,809 in numerals. $5,809 in numerals will be 5, 8, 0, and 9. Question 19. Lana left for the library in the afternoon, and arrived at the time shown below. At what time did she arrive at the library? The hour hand is between 1 and 2. The minute hand is pointing at 11, which is equal to 55 minutes. The clock showed 1:55 p.m. Lana arrived at the library at 1:55 p.m. Question 20. Find the sum 3017 and 4962. The sum 3017 and 4962 will be, add 3017 to 4962, and the sum is 7979. The sum 3017 and 4962 is 7979. Question 21. What is the total amount of money shown? There are two $1 coins, one 50-cent coin, one 10-cent coin, and one 5-cent coin. The total amount will be, add $2 to 50 cents, to 10 cents, and to 5 cents, and the sum is $2.65. The total amount of coins is $2.65. Question 22. Divide 441 by 7. What is the quotient? Divide 441 by 7, and the quotient is 63. The quotient for divide 441 by 7 is 63. Question 23. Draw the minute hand on the clock to show 3:40 p.m. The minute hand is shown in red. Question 24. Arrange the following numbers in order, beginning with the smallest: 5768, 5678, 5867, 5687. Beginning with the smallest number, the answer will be 5678, 5687, 5768, 5867. Question 25. List all the even numbers between 50 and 60. Beginning with the smallest, the answer will be 5678, 5687, 5768, and 5867. Question 6. Mrs. Tan baked 700 muffins. She gave 60 muffins away, and packed the rest equally into packets of 8. How many packets of muffins did Mrs. Tan pack? The balance amount of muffins will be, subtract 700 from 60, and the difference is 640. The number of packets of muffins will be, divide 640 by 8, and the quotient is 80. Mrs. Tan packed 80 packets of muffins. Question 27. Which two figures have flat surfaces? The two figures with flat surfaces will be figure A and figure B. Question 28. What is the missing number in the number pattern below? 2945, 3445, 3245, 3745. Missing number 4045, 3845. The difference between 3445 and 2945 is, add 500. The difference between 3445 and 3245 is, less 200. The difference between 3745 and 3245 is, add 500. The difference between 3745 and missing number will be, subtract 3745 from 200, and the difference is 3545. Let us do a check on the answer. The difference between 4045 and 3545 is, add 500. The missing number is 3545. Question 29. A librarian bought 3,608 English story books, and Chinese story books. He bought 1,998 English story book. How many Chinese story books did he buy? The number of Chinese story book will be, subtract 3,608 from 1,998, and the difference is 1,610. He bought 1,610 Chinese books. Question 30. Use the information to answer questions 30 and 31. Colin bought toy A and toy B. How much cheaper was toy A than toy B? The difference between toy B and toy A will be: subtract $115.50 from $54.40, and the difference is $61. Toy A was $61 cheaper than toy B. Question 31. Jenny had $180. She bought 2 toys from a department store and received a change of less than $10. Which 2 toys did Jenny buy? Jenny had $180 and received a change of less than $10. She spent more than $170 and less than $180 on 2 toys. She would need to buy the most expensive toy and another toy. Cost of toy B and toy A will be: add $115.50 to $54.50, and the sum is $170. Cost of toy B and toy C will be: add $115.50 to $69.40, and the sum is $184.90. Cost of toy B and toy D will be: add $115.50 to $59.90, and the sum is $175.40. The 2 toys that cost more than $170 and less than $180 will be toy B and toy D. Jenny bought toy B and toy D. Question 32. The picture graph shows the number of stickers that 5 pupils have. How many stickers must Boone Hewitt give to Alice, so that both of them have the same number of stickers? The amount of stickers Alice has will be multiply 3 by 6, and the product is 18. The amount of stickers Boone Hewitt has will be multiply 7 by 6, and the sum is 42. The total stickers Alice and Boone Hewitt have will be add 18 to 42, and the sum is 60. The same number of stickers shared between them will be divide 60 by 2, and the quotient is 30. The number of stickers Boone Hewitt need to give to Alice will be subtract 30 from 18, and the difference is 12. Boone Hewitt must give 12 stickers to Alice. Question 33. Mrs. Lee bought 4 containers of syrup A, B, C, and D. The volume of the syrup in each container was 2 liters, 3 liters, 4 liters, and 6 liters. Mrs. Lee kept 1 container of syrup for herself and sold the rest to Mrs. Wong. Which container of syrup did Mrs. Lee keep for herself, if the total volume of syrup bought by Mrs. Wong was 4 times that of hers? The total liters of syrup will be add 2 liters to 3 liters, to 4 liters, to 6 liters, and the sum is 15 liters. The amount of syrup Mrs. Lee had is 1 unit. The amount of syrup Mrs. Wong had is 4 times more than Mrs. Lee, which is 4 units. 5 units is equal to 15 liters. 1 unit will be divide 15 liters by 5, and the quotient is 3 liters. Mrs. Lee kept container B for herself. Question 34. Minor has 4 bottles E, F, G, and H of different height. Bottle E is shorter than bottle G, but taller than bottle H. Bottle H is taller than bottle F. Arrange the height of the 4 bottles E, F, G, and H in order, starting with the tallest. Bottle E is shorter than bottle G, and the arrangement will be G, followed by E. Bottle E is taller than bottle H, and the arrangement will be E followed by H. The arrangement of E, G, and H will be G followed by E, and then followed by H. Bottle H is taller than bottle F, and the arrangement will be H followed by F. The arrangement of E, F, G, and H will be G followed by E, followed by H, and followed by F. Arrangement from the tallest to the shortest will be G, E, H, F. Question 35. Fatimah thought of a 3-digit odd number. The number was divisible by 9. The digit in its tens place was divisible by 4. What was the greatest possible 3-digit odd number? In order to get the greatest possible 3-digit odd number, the greatest number for the hundreds place will be a 9. The two numbers that was divisible by 4, in its tens place will be 4 and 8. The greater number will be 8. The 3-digit odd number was divisible by 9. The digit 9 is in the hundreds place is divisible by 9. The last two digits will be 8 tens, and unknown number ones. The two digits number between 80 to 89 that is divisible by 9 will be 81. The greatest possible 3-digit odd number will be 981. Question 36. Alan and Betty had 255 beads. Alan had 4 times as many beads as Betty. How many beads did Alan have? Five units is equal to 255. 1 unit will be, divide 255 by 5, and the quotient is 51. The number of beads Alan had will be, multiply 51 by 4, and the product is 204. Alan had 204 beads. Raffles Girls Primary School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 3 Mathematics. Section C. Question 37. On Sunday, the Science Center received 4,600 visitors. 895 of them were men, 1,688 were women, and the rest were children. A. How many adults visited the Science Center Sunday? B. How many children visited the Science Center that day? The number of adults will be, add the number of men to the number of women, which is equal to, add 895 to 1,688, and the sum is 2,583. A. There were 2,583 adults visited the Science Center on Sunday. The number of children will be, subtract the total number of visitors from the number of adults, which is equal to, subtract 4,600 from 2,583, and the difference is 2,017. B. There were 2,017 children visited the Science Center that day. Question 38. Betty bought some items from the supermarket as shown. The mass of the bottle of milk was 200 grams. A. What was the mass of the tin of butter? B. Find the mass of the cheese. The mass of the milk and tin of butter as shown on the weighing scale is 350 grams. The mass of the tin of butter will be, subtract 350 grams from 200 grams, and the difference is 150 grams. A. The mass of the tin of butter is 150 grams. The mass of the cheese and tin of butter as shown on the weighing scale is 230 grams. The mass of the cheese will be, subtract 230 grams from 150 grams, and the difference is 80 grams. B. The mass of the cheese is 80 grams. Question 39. Mdm Fatimah bought 68 blue pens, and twice as many green pens for her pupils. All the pens were distributed equally to her pupils. Each pupil received 6 pens. How many pupils were there? The total number of green pens will be, multiply 68 by 2, and the product is 136. The total number of pens will be, add 68 to 136, and the sum is 204. The number of pupils will be, divide 204 by 6, and the quotient is 34. There were 34 pupils. Question 40. Rayna and Limei have 1848 stickers altogether. Tina and Limei have 1270 stickers altogether. Tina has 890 stickers. How many stickers does Rayna have? The number of stickers Limei has will be, subtract 1270 from 890, and the difference is 380. The number of stickers Rayna has will be, subtract 1848 from 380, and the difference is 1468. Rayna has 1468 stickers. Question 41. Mr. Lim bought an equal number of apples and pears on Monday. He spent a total of $10. Given that an apple cost $1.50 and it cost 50 cents more than pear, how many pears did Mr. Lim buy? The cost of a pear will be, subtract $1.50 from 50 cents, and the difference is $1. The cost of an apple and a pear will be, add $1.50 to $1, and the sum is $2.50. The number of set of apple and pear will be, divide $10 by $2.50, and the quotient is 4. Mr. Lim bought 4 pears. Question 42. A carpenter makes 15 wooden chairs on the first day. On the second day, he makes 3 chairs more than the first day. On the third day, he makes 3 chairs more than the second day. If the carpenter follows this pattern of making chairs, how many chairs will he make in 5 days? On the first day, he makes 15 chairs. The number of chairs he make on the second day will be, add 15 to 3, and the sum is 18. The number of chairs he make on the third day will be, add 18 to 3, and the sum is 21. The number of chairs he make on the fourth day will be, add 21 to 3, and the sum is 24. The number of chairs he make on the fifth day will be, add 24 to 3, and the sum is 27. The number of chairs make in 5 days will be, add 15 to 18, to 21, to 24, and to 27, and the sum is 105. He makes 105 chairs in 5 days. If you enjoy our video, please do click on like and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.